Can y'all believe I am just now coming back in here to you all to finish this wig? So I did my nails, y'all saw that, took a shower, did all that, and then I did a video. I know y'all saying, huh, but it was just for my feet. It was some shoes. It was like 5 or 6 pair of sandals. I'll pop them in right here. Aren't those the cutest shoes? I have different variations of the Rossi sandals, but I saw those on Rainbow, and they were $19. So I grabbed them because there's nothing like a cute, sexy pair of heels that are comfortable, okay? And I'm telling you, those are comfortable. So this is the hair. Because it is still content day. I have not even put it on. Whew, yeah, I'm a little warm. So let's see what this looks like. See if I'm gonna have to tighten it up any. Off the bat, yes. I have to tighten up. I like mine's tight. I don't know if that's everybody, but I love my bands tight. Band feels like it's backwards. So let me flip it around here because it feels like it's backwards for me anyway. This is the wig straight out the package. Straight out the package. I haven't done anything to her. So let me cut her. Pull this a little tighter. And I use shears. So I cut the lace. I did a little flat ironing. Not flat ironing. I used my hot comb a little bit at the top to bring that down. Now I'm gonna try curling her. She's a lot. She's a lot. And then I'll see if I'm going to cut any layers on her. So Sister Katie is a lot of hair. Her. Bring on my curler. She is thick. I will say that. So I am using my 1.5 T3 curler. And she gets hot. This one, I want to see how she curls. So we'll see how she curls, and then I'm gonna curl her up and I'll come back. Curls pretty good. Let's finish her up. Yeah, this is the hair thus far. It curls so nicely, as you see. Let me cover up. It curls very nicely. But I'm gonna tell you, if you are in a rush, baby, it takes a minute, because it's a lot. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. A lot of hair. Now I feel like I want to cut it, do some layers. This is not laying down like I wanted to. And I may turn it. See, one thing I like about closure wigs, you can turn them. Like they may have been meant for the a middle, and I'll change them and make them a side part or something like that. So yeah, kind of like this better on the side, because so this is she. As you can see, she is very full, and I'm just finger combing her out. Just trying to cut a few little layers in right here in the front, which will work if I have it on the side or not. Layers make a world of difference. Kind of thin it out a little bit. Fun fact about me, one of my first jobs was in a hair salon for 3 years. Yeah, feel better. What y'all think? It's gonna have to do because I don't have time. So let's do something to this face. Put a little primer on. And I'm not really doing just a beat. Yeah, I'm not doing a beat because I have date night tonight. Get my curler off. This is also e.l.f. Their little blush. Somebody was saying put your blush on first, and then before you put your concealer. So I'm gonna try that out, because that way it looks a little more seamless. Like I said, I'm not doing a beat. I'm just doing I use Clinique they're even better. Should put it like that. And this brush, a brightening concealer brush, but I don't know who it's by. I don't know who it's by. Let that dry down a little bit. And yeah, we're not doing, like I said, we're really not doing a lot. Because after I do this, I'm trying to think, I may contour, I may not, but I'm probably just going to put some powder on. Bobbi Brown powder. That's it. I'm not doing a lot. When I don't feel like it, so. This one is a little dry. I love this brush because it goes right up under there. And the good thing is, so they said because it just seamlessly blends into your blush without having any demarcation lines. Mirror is behind you all. So that's what we're looking like. Oh, my nose ring. I'm gonna spray it because I'm not putting any foundation on, and then we're gonna go in with pink powder to set it. And then we're gonna put some powder on. I have lashes on. I'm not doing mascara or any of that. Yeah. I think I got powder or something in my eye. I love my makeup to be as natural looking as possible. I really do. Especially when I'm doing content, because I don't want my makeup to clash. So this pen is by The Perfect Nude. This lip liner is by The Perfect Nude. It's so silky smooth. I've had it for a while and it lasts, so that's what I love about it. Ooh. ColourPop, just a gloss. And this is my look. Really natural. Just a little something.